Assalamualaikum. I am Maryam Munir from Morning Dew Grammar School. Welcome to nursery class. Students, today we will learn English. Let's start. So open your notebook and hold your colors. Today we are going to do some activities. Color the picture that begin with letter F. तो बेटा आपने उस पिक्चर पे कलर करना है जो F लेटर से स्टार्ट होती है. Look at this. What is this? It is a flower. Flower starts with the letter F. So we will color. I am taking red color to color the flower. You can take any color by your choice. And here we have done. Now take green color to color the leaf. And here we have done our coloring in flower. Now look at this. What is this? It is a duck. And the duck starts with the letter D. What are these? These are balloons. Balloons start with the letter B. So we don't color balloons. What is this? It is a fish. Fish starts with the letter F. So we will color fish. I am taking orange color. You can take any color by your choice. Hold the color accurately and write in a same pattern. And here we have done our coloring in fish. Now look at this picture and tell me what is this. Yes, this is a hat, and the hat starts with the letter H, so we don't color the hat. Now come to the next activity. Activity number 4. Help the doll. You have to help this doll find its way to the house color. You have to make a way for the doll for the house. Color D with pink and small d with green. This is capital D and this is small d. So color capital D with pink and small d with green. So first of all, hold these colors, pink and green. Look at this. This is capital D. We will color it with pink color. Now find where the D capital is. Here is D. Now look at this. This is small d. We will color small d with green. So hold the green color. And here we have done. Now find out where the capital D is. Now look at this. This is also small d. So color this with green. Color the circle green. Now hold the pink color and color it in the circle of capital D. Now look, here is small d. Again take the green color and color it. And here we have done. Students, you can color the doll and the house too. Use color by yourself and color them neatly. So we have done our classwork. This is also your homework. Do it with great care. Now open your workbook. Page number 18. Look at this, match and circle. So students, look at this. Here are three letters A, B, C. Randomly they are written on this chart. Okay. What you have to do? Make a circle around the letter and match it with the same letter. Like this. Make a circle and then match it with this. A. Now find where the A lies here. This one. Match them. A. Now where the A is? Here. So first of all make a circle and then match it, and then with the top one. A. Now come to the next letter. B. 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 Now here lies B. 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 Okay. Now come to the next letter, which is C. 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 Match them. Now here C lies. So match this C with that one and this C with that one. And now here C lies. First of all make a circle and then make a line between these letters like this. And we have done our this activity. Now come to the next activity. Match capital with small. Match capital with small. So students, this is capital A and this is small a. So match them. This is capital B and this is small b. Now this is capital C and this is small c. And we have done. Now come to page number 19. Students, you have to practice to write capital C and small c. So this is your homework. And match the letters with their pictures. Okay? Do your homework neatly. Inshallah, I will check it tomorrow. Now students, open your book. Page number 13. Now hold your pencil and look at this. Match the picture with correct letter. So first of all, look at the picture. Try to remember the beginning sound of the picture and then match them with their correct letters. Now let's start. What is this? It is a horse. Horse. The beginning sound of the horse is H. So it will be H. Match the horse with the letter H. Now look at this picture. This is a glass. The beginning sound of glass is G. So it will match with the letter G. Look at this. It is an ear. The beginning sound of ear is A. So it will match with the letter E. E, A. Now look at this. It is a beautiful flower. So the flower will The beginning sound of flower is F. So it will match with this. Here are also some pictures. Look at this. These are fruits. The beginning sound of fruits is F. So it will match with the letter F. This is an egg. The beginning sound of egg is A with E. This is a hat. The beginning sound of hat is H. It will match with the letter H. And this is garlic. The beginning sound of garlic is G. So it will match with the letter G. And here we have done our work. Do this practice on your rough copy again and again so that you can know about the beginning sounds of the letters and words. Students, open your this book of rhymes. It's time to learn them. So students, today we will learn the poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Read with me. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Only these two lines, okay? Learn them accurately. Read again. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Read these lines again and again so that you can learn it by heart. Inshallah, I will listen it tomorrow. Now look at your diary. Students, आज आपने इंग्लिश का क्या करना है? आपने होमवर्क करना है कॉपी पे. Do practice for page number 18 and page number 19. Book practice page number 13 and poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star first 2 lines. इंशाल्लाह कल मुलाकात होगी. काम अच्छे से कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.